Former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi has criticized the BJP government, which often resort to banning internet and imposing curfew during the ongoing crisis. Okram Ibobi said such steps cannot bring a solution to the ongoing crisis in the state, and BJP government in both center and state must find a way to end this crisis. The former Chief Minister said this on the sidelines of condolence event of National General Secretary of CPI Marxist Sitaram Yechuri, who passed away yesterday at Delhi's AIIMS. Speaking further in the condolence program that was held at Irabad Bhavan today, Okram Ibobi termed the demise of Sitaram Yechuri as a huge loss for Indian politics. He remembered the CPI leader as someone who has worked to strengthen democracy in India. During the condolence program, former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi, Secretary of CPI L. Thoiren, CPI Manipur State Council Secretary KSH Santa, former State Secretary L. Soten Kumar, former Minister Moirangthem Nara, JDU Vice President O. Nabakishore, along with other members, paid floral tribute to protect of late Sitaram Yechuri.
Hujik Paliba India government or state Sarkar Aron hidden secret agenda Kari Labino, Maduna Claypak Sida Karikana Purkadavno, Madudi Koi Kangjatre, Adumoina Tobu began a Kalava Mogi determination, commitment Layragadi, Masidi Ahanbada, Saiba Mazihan Mutat Patal. Then Aduga, political dialogue from the Sanaga Waris Hanaraga, Waravation, Amapur, Natanadi, violence Nadi, curfew Nadi, Camp Queen curfew Tambayagani, Sinadi a quite solution for Kani Hivese, it has it. Migi life and property protect over Hivese, Sangvidhana clearly pirimni, other law in order state subject ni, Madu Moina. Tangdu later the Hojik Labor Migi life property say, not Nanava Hana Tobio, double engine government, having center the BJP government later. She did more hector car labor men fall in Loy Tara Idra, Madu Tobio, quite a Raziki say the Hunto Hunjing, quite a Karimta Madu later.